This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger tail light bulb. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, often a 3157 type, and either a T25 Torx bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by opening your truck's tailgate to gain clear access to the tail light assembly. Once the tailgate is open, you will see the retaining screws on the tail light housing. Use your appropriate screwdriver or Torx bit to carefully remove these 2 or 4 screws. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight backward. It should slide out without much force, but be aware of any small clips that might offer slight resistance. With the tail light assembly removed, locate the specific bulb holder for the tail light. Twist this holder counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now, simply pull the old, faulty bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the holder. For added protection against moisture and corrosion, you might want to apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the socket before reassembly. Now, reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on your truck. Reinstall all 2 or 4 retaining screws, tightening them firmly but gently to avoid cracking the plastic housing. Finally, close your tailgate and test the new bulb by turning on your vehicle's lights and pressing the brake pedal to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.